Okay, switching to Russian English.
Welcome back to our laboratory, WOOP Trampoline Park. Safety is our... No, it's not our priority. Awesomeness is. This week, we got important mission. We have to perform a special show in front of important audience. So, we need a team that can pull this off. Our leader is the Gap. He's one of the best acrobats in the world that has pulled off some of the most amazing stunts. Recently, he jumped over a moving train. Max is not mad, but his skills definitely are. He's a Guinness World Record holder for the highest front flip slam dunk. Lori is a young rising star that breaks his head often, but he recovers and gets up stronger. He's that awesome that he can eat soup with fork. Hoyts is the hard-working guy in the darks of late motion. He's an electrical engineer and he loves massage. He's funny, sometimes. The next one is MATIG. He's a gymnast machine that spins faster than fidget spinner. One day he's going to win Olympic gold medal. And me, dumb brookie that somehow got in and will probably fuck up everything. And I often land on my butt. Slovenian language is similar to Russian, so we are very sorry for our English.
Also, our English is similar to Russian English.
Almost fell off. That happened to me once. In the center of Ljubljana.
I was the cause of his fall, so I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
The next day.
So we just have one wheelchair wiper. Nice, nice. Do you know how to do this?
I have absolutely no idea how to do this.
Easy connection technology.
It says easy connection technology?
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Shall we say fuck it?
So fresh and so clean, clean. Nice.
Okay.
So let's go.
Ali že zdaj rabta? Okay, zmeren. We speak English now.
Yeah.
Okay, switching to Russian English.
Outside is snowing.
You still have the tags on.
It's a brand new one. Right now we have to carry our equipment inside. Check. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's good. Hey, what about these two? Who takes them? So we forgot our dresses, but only in the van. Didn't forget them in Ljubljana. Let's go to the dressing room. The dressing room.
youngest one has to go get the jersey.
Oh, now we know why you are the hot one in Fly Guys. He's perfectionist, but not for the haircut.
Perfect haircut. Check this out, check this out.
What's better than Schwarzi? 3 Schwarzis. What's better than Lori? Trash can!
Our last vlog was, I don't know, they threw it down. I'm gonna try to find out what happened.
Yeah. So the YouTube banned our vlog because it was too lit.
Too much Schwarzi in one vlog.
What a joker! It's training time, training time, training time. Barcelona!
Schweinsteiger.
Oh, hell no!
No. I did my handstand. You're going. You're practicing your flyover now.
Now we have 3 hours of free time and then we have a show. Food tasting.
Let's see what Janes likes to eat. Artificial.
Right now we are dressing up. What do we have to do before our show?
We have to do a parachute.
It's about half an hour till our show. We're gonna warm up now. And yeah, get ready for the show. Ooh, nice. We just finished the show, it was awesome. Woo!
Awesome blossom.
Awesome.
Evo, 3, 4, čakaj vam, 3, 4, zdaj.
Finished the show, finished the photo shoot thing. Hey, how does this work, guys? Here says auto. Doesn't work. Have to put this into this bag. I'm the most hard-working guy in Dunking Devils, you know. And
We finished our show in Koper and now we're going back to Ljubljana to Dunking Devils headquarters.
now we are going to our storage that is very secret. It's 200 meters past Pop TV production house. Turn left, then 100 meters, and the alarm code is 4732.
Yeah, and we don't stash any drugs in there.
Yeah.
No.
We deny any connection to Italian mafia.
Let's put in the race gear.
Ooh, race gear.
Oh.
You ready, guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Race.
Dream
1, 2, race.
Whoa, how fast was that?
So fast, man. I felt like going through the...
Yeah.
You know,
Imagine there would be a pizza delivery guy on a moped behind us.
Some pizza, but
Pushing the van backwards. This is our storage. Here we put all of our equipment. So it's ready for next shows, for next filming. Got this bullshit. Let's get some slow motion. All for this vlog. See you in the next one. What are you still doing here? Watch our next vlog. Go to our Instagram page, go to our Facebook page, subscribe, leave a like, maybe leave your wife